The Amaibis of Maru Loishang demanded that the BJYM state unit, President Manohar Mayum Barish Sharma, should apologize to the Meitei community for his action on October 24 against the Amaibis within 7 days. The Govindaji Temple Board should also clarify whether Barish Sharma, who also held the position of section officer of the board, acted alone or with the consent of the board, said Nupa Amaibi of Maru Loishang M. Nanau during a press conference at Manipur Press Club on Tuesday. If the action of Barish Sharma was his own, then he should be barred from the board, he added. On October 24th, amidst protests by the Amaiba and Amaibis over the construction of Hindu structures in Maru Loishang premises in Palace compound, Barish Sharma has allegedly instructed a member of the temple board to spray Janamitra, a Hindu holy water, over an Amaibi who was in trance. He further asserted that the action of Barish Sharma has left the people of the state wondering whether there is a secret intention to subdue Sanamahism, a minority religion of the country. Further, the action of Barish Sharma amount to challenging the secularism enshrined in the Constitution of India. As such, the BJYM should clarify on the matter and Barish Sharma should resign from his post, and legal action should be taken against him.